Be safe from fire. Fun facts about fire safety. Did you know? Fire can be both useful and dangerous. That's why it's important to learn about fire safety to stay safe. Here are some cool facts to help you be fire smart. 1. Fire needs 3 things to burn: heat, fuel, and oxygen. When all 3 come together, it creates flames. That's why it's important to keep things like matches and lighters away from things that can burn, like paper and clothes. 2. Smoke alarms are like superheroes. They can detect smoke and warn us if there's a fire. That's why it's important to have smoke alarms in our homes and to test them regularly to make sure they work. 3. If there's a fire, remember to stop, drop, and roll. Stop what you're doing, drop to the ground, and roll back and forth to put out the flames if they're on your clothes. 4. Have a fire escape plan. Know 2 ways out of every room in your house and have a meeting spot outside where everyone can gather. Practice your fire escape plan with your family so you know what to do if there's a fire. By learning about fire safety and being prepared, we can all stay safe from fire and enjoy our homes and communities. So, let's be fire smart and have fun while staying safe.